Hi, welcome to this tutorial series on communicating with your clients. In this series of videos, you will learn how to set up templates for your emails, letters, and text messages. You will learn about communication cues and how to use them, how to link a cue to a clinic to set up automatic email and text messaging for appointments booked online, how to set up automated communications, and much more. First, let's get started with an overview of how communication in Eyebooked works. All communication with your clients is done using what we call a communication queue. You can think of a communication queue as a list of letters, emails, or texts that are waiting to be sent. You can add items to the queue and remove items. Email and text message queues are processed and sent automatically, but as you might imagine, letter queues need to be either physically printed and manually posted, or if you use a hybrid mail processor, downloaded and sent to your provider for processing. So, let's get started with the next video in this series, how to create a communication template.